He's just 20, 21 years old. So the gap to become a real good player is so big, still so big. And I can say that because I was manager for the best player in the history. So that's why I know the gap he can improve. He can improve. And that's why it's calm down. He has to know they are going to push him a lot. In the moment he's going to relax, he's going to be in other place, will not be on the pitch. But because we want to help him. With this talent will be a pity, will be, not try to help him to all this potential that he has. It's the first year in the Premier League. In the first month was a little difficult for him, but it's not easy for a young player come here in England and play the way he's playing. So that's why we are so satisfied, and he has a lot of career to do here with us.